So glycolysis happens in the cytosol, and what happens is that we got glucose with 6 carbons, and it turns into 2 pyruvates with each with 3 carbons, and we have ATP produced, and we got NADH produced. So now we're going to pyruvate oxidation, which is when pyruvate produces acetyl-CoA, which consists of coenzyme A bound to 2 carbon molecules, and we also got carbon dioxide produced and NADH.
And this happens in the matrix. So now we go into the citric acid cycle, where the acetyl-CoA combines with a 4-carbon molecule, and each one combines. So the 4-carbon combines with the 2 acetyl-CoAs, each going back to the 4-carbon starting thing, and we end up producing CO2 again, and NADH and FADH2, which will come into play in the oxidative phosphorylation. So what ends up happening is the NADH produced before goes through an electron shuffle, either producing FADH2 or NADH. Now these go and they donate their electrons. Now what the electrons do is they go down the electron transport chain and over here, and they give their electrons to give enough power to pump protons out of the matrix, which forms a gradient. Now what ends up happening is the protons will go back into the matrix through an enzyme called ATP synthase, which will produce ATP, and that's how ATP is produced.